guys, 10K here. I got a special request, and this is going out to Maria in Miami. Maria writes, I am a spiritual healer and practitioner for over 9 years, and lately my energy has been drained by others calling me and making all sorts of statements inside themselves, saying like, what type of healer are you? What do you do? They want to make appointments. They're asking information, and no one comes through. Well, Maria, let me explain something to you that it's pouring now. That's a good sign. Number one is that most of the time when you're doing healing work, if another healer is calling you, only answer the questions that they ask. What does that mean? I'm looking for this, I'm looking for that, this is what I'm looking for. That means that 9 out of 10 times, that healer is wounded, because they wouldn't be calling you to find out what you do, nor would it matter what you do. So there's something that someone's spying, number one. Number two is, this has been weakening your energy. So let me do something in our 10K. So the first thing is, your warrior inside of you, it looks like you've been through a lot in life. And you do offer a lot of good work, except that you allow others to hurt you. So there's a couple things there. We're just doing a basic understanding. And we got the moon fairy and we got time. So you're in a time of trouble, and the moon that you're representing has some sort of emotions with what people say. So you could have parted with a friend that did work with you before, and they're no longer doing work, and they're sending different types of people directly towards you. Now, everything happened for a reason, because technically, when someone calls you, one of the things that we tell people, the first time they call, we just give them the information that they want. Why? Even if you know that they're lying, you can't blame, because you want that person to heal themselves. And most of the time, no one wants to be hurt. They want to be heard. So everything happens for a reason, but you got to balance yin yang. See? So there's a darker side that you're looking at that needs to be a little more balanced. Of course, energy is neither good nor bad. And what you're taking on is the response of a human being's energy that went through their system and then started to attack you. Okay? The crown. So you want to be focused, and right now you want to wish these people well. And you don't want to look at someone as they're a bad person. They can choose to do anything they want. When they're done with using a more lower frequency, once you change inside of you, then it can hit another person, and eventually they will change. If not, that really has nothing to do with you. Maria, keep doing what you're doing. Don't allow anybody to belittle you. And at the end of the day, a gift is a gift. Just always tell the truth. And sometimes you might think it's going to hurt someone, but the highest truth is letting someone see what they have been doing and how they can improve themselves. And here it is. A blank card is moving you forward to manifest anything you want. One of the biggest things that I'm going to say is I love you, thank you, forgive me, I'm sorry, I love you, thank you, forgive me. And we do have that print. If you follow our stuff on Instagram, Facebook, we do have a site that you can go and buy prints, and we're going to have different things that have to do with our 10K. And one of the things that I would suggest that you do buy as a print is the time. And the next thing that I do suggest is you can buy our cards. They're Pictionary cards for everybody else, and they help you maintain your psyche. They help you with your brain, left side, right side. They help you manifest. Just by looking at the card, you can change. If you are looking for training that is a process, and it takes quite a while to train inside the system, and then you would only be able to do certain things. Okay, many blessings. I hope this helped you. If anybody else is a practitioner or you're anything in life, you know, a student, something that you're looking for, you can request to us to give something online. The one thing that we're going to tell you is that we do not tolerate negativity. That's the one thing. All is well, and we help. If someone feels that they need to bash or say something, well, this is an average tarot, and it has nothing to do with regular tarot. And there's nothing wrong with regular tarot. It really depends on the person that's reading you and putting you in fear. So our tarot is one of a kind, and this is a new transition in the new energy for 2021. Many blessings.